What's up? It's your girl Simone here, and today in this video I'm going to be doing a wig install with Hairvivi. Now this video is very different, okay, and I think it might be the answers to all of our prayers. So a lot of times we want to do no glue, no adhesive, no anything to our wigs, but the one issue that always comes is the flaps by the ears. They never stay down. They always fold back, they always flat back, and even if you want to do glueless, a lot of the times if you do glueless, you can do all right here glueless, but sometimes you have to add something right here because there's no support in keeping it down. So as y'all know, Hairvivi always comes out with new techniques, new products, new ways to make our lives easier as wig wearers. And so today in this video, I'm showing you another method on how to make your wig completely glueless. All right, so you're gonna want to watch this video and actually pay attention. So this is the wig that I was sent. Yes, we got a little bit of color on this. Do you see? Well, not a little, the whole wig is colored from the root. You guys know I'm not really a fan of wigs that are colored from the root, but I'm gonna show you how I even finesse that part at the end. But what they have included into their wigs are these things. Do you see these? So this right here is gonna lay flat by your ears. You should be able to just give it a little bend, and it should be able to curve in kind of like bend down where it's forcing the flaps to stay flat. I'm gonna just show you how inside the wig looks. They usually provide a fake scalp right here, which looks amazing. Piano keys headband. And then at the back, this kind of has like, it's not sticky, but it kind of feels like, it has like a grip. Like, you know when you wear a strapless bra and it has like that grip right there, but it's not as grippy as the grip in the inside strapless bra. It should be comfortable and not just have your wig flying back here. So a couple of new things that they've been implementing that I am here for. And even like the hairline is plucked to perfection. Like I don't even have to add any extra plucking if I don't want to, but it looks so good. They did send me a wig cap to further explain to you guys why this is such a wave right now, okay? This is how the inside of their wig caps look. Now, the method that they're implementing is this thing right here. Now, as you can see, you can fold it and it will keep the shape. And actually with the wig on, I can't even feel the bendable parts right here. Like I can't feel how it feels, but I will say it is holding it down more than it would if I didn't have that on there. I'm gonna be using this Brow Zing kit. Now, if you have any kind of brown powder, please use the brown powder. But this is all I have. Over here, these are more cream, and over here is powder. We're gonna use this one. So not too dark, not too light, and maybe go with this one as well to see which one picks up really. And again, this is a foolproof method. This is faux dark roots. This is not anything permanent. So yes, if you wash your hair, it's going to come out, okay? So I really just want to focus on the front and the middle. I'm not gonna even go row by row. Just the parts that will be seen. And then I'm gonna use my finger to kind of massage it in. And you don't want to kill this, you know, or put too much. You just want to put enough to get the point across. So this side is a little bit more darker than this side. I mean, you might not be able to tell until I put it on my skin, but there's a difference. So I'm just really using those thumbs and fingers to really just get the color to blend in. All right, so since I'm already back here, what I'm gonna do is I just wanna differentiate, like I just wanna put a line here so that the part goes from start, you know, it's nice and neat. So yes, I like this so much more. And there's no nothing on my hands. If you're wondering, did it rub off? All right, so such a huge difference. It's actually darker. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it is a little darker, so it's not just so red from the root. But what I'm gonna do is make sure you have a flat foundation underneath. So I have all my braids here. I have lots of them. And make sure you brush your hair back. You don't want any edges out, even though we're not gluing or gelling or spraying. And then you wanna go ahead and clip back any excess. So they sent me some clips. I'm gonna just tighten my band in the back and then start cutting by the ears. So I didn't cut too, I actually cut right above, like right at the tippy tip. So I took off most of the lace at the edge of this part that keeps the sideburns typically down. And now let's go ahead and cut the lace. I see where this is going. So it lays flat like this. It lays flat like this. I'm gonna bend it kind of like that, going towards my face. So let's see. So here it is. But you don't want to bend it too much to where it puffs out and doesn't look natural. So I think this is how flat it lays. I mean, does it feel secure? Yes, it does. Not me shaking my head to see if it's secure, but it do feel secure. It does feel secure. But wait, it doesn't. All right, so this side is laying flat. I gotta figure out how to do this. This is how it lays. So you can see. Now, my honest, 1000% honest opinion is this is definitely a get up and go wig, like a wig where you don't want to do absolutely anything to it, a wig where you just want to throw it on your head. You don't want to add any adhesive, you don't want to add any spray. You just want to be like, you know what, I'm about to run to the supermarket, I'm about to go on a date, I'm about to go hang out with my girl this last minute, I need my hair to be done. Boom. That's what this is. And the reason why I'm saying that is because all right here lays super flat. This side even lays super flat if you didn't want to put no effort in. Now, this side I'm having an issue with because it is folding out. So it's not necessarily staying, which would kind of worry me a little bit because, you know, if it's supposed to be... Okay, so it lays flat, yes. It's just not as flat. I can still see, like, it's still, you see that, like it's still flapping back, like, and so that right there would make me feel like I would want to keep my hair like this. And realistically, your hair can stay that way because there are a lot of times where I walk around town and my hair, you wouldn't even be able to tell my flaps ain't down. But you know what, I will say, very smart invention, very smart technique, very freaking smart. I do think that the metal pieces by the ears need to be a little bit more firm. I'll say that. I think it needs to be a little bit more firm so that when I bend it, it's actually staying in. However, for what it's doing right now and the amount of pressure, I mean, I don't feel it at all. But for what it's doing right now, I am a little bit impressed. I feel like they understand the assignment, but it wasn't fully understood, meaning they almost got it. But I think they should just make the wires a little bit more firm, just so that, or even put it up to right here maybe, a little higher so that it really gets in. But I'm not gonna lie, I'm here for it. I like it. I love it. It does the job for me. Like, I'm about to literally go on a date in a couple of hours. And so this is the wig that I'm wearing and I don't have to do much to it. So I'm impressed. I would actually buy a wig that had this in it. I think it's a very smart invention. I think between this and the fake scalp and the headband, companies have been trying to make life easier for us, and I highly appreciate it. Now the hairline looks a little fuller than what I thought it would be, so I might just actually pluck right here. And I'm gonna also spend time just hot combing the hair back.